What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. We back with another video. And in this video, we're gonna talk about waving with a CowLick. I know a lot of you guys may have CowLicks, which you might not, which I have a CowLick right here. If you watch in my earlier videos, probably about a video ago, you can see that I had like a part CowLick right here. And I'm gonna explain to you guys what a CowLick is and how to avoid it while you're waving. So with this pattern, I did lose count of my wolf. I'm gonna have to backtrack so I can let y'all know how far I am into this wolf. So waving with a CowLick is basically the area of your hair which it grows in a different direction. It'll grow like your crown. Basically your crown area is a CowLick because that's the area which separates and grows in other directions. So sometimes you may have a CowLick most likely on the front of your hair, whereas your hair is going to grow up and out this way in different directions. So when you cut short and you brush your hair down forward, it's going to separate like a part. So to avoid that while you're waving, you want to keep your hair at a heavier length at that area. So you don't want to cut too low in that area. But for me, if I cut down to like a 1.5 with the grain, the CowLick in the front is going to show and it's going to split out like a part. You may want to cut to 1.5 and cut down just for foundational work for your hair, and you don't push your hairline back when you're doing that. But when you really want to flex your waves, when you're getting your pattern coming in, you want to avoid cutting down to that area of your CowLick. You can also, option is you can cut around that area if you want, similar as what you do with your crown. But for me, I'm pretty much going to wolf until everything straightens out on my pattern. There's no need for me to start cutting anytime soon on my pattern. I'm gonna show you the pattern update upon what my hair is looking like so you can see exactly where things are going. I'm still working on the back right side of my hair, still working on shifting that out and those waves coming down to the bottom. Now it's gonna take some time. It's probably gonna take this wolf. We'll see how things go. You'll see this video how my hair is looking, and then eventually a couple more videos how I get those back waves to break and to turn my full pattern into a beehive. I'm looking to do it like within a few weeks. And then all it takes is just keeping your hair healthy, staying consistent with angles, being consistent with the washes, being diligent with your washing styles, washing layers, keeping it oil, as well as allowing the scalp to get the sunlight, fertilization, and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna talk about that soon, but that's pretty much it. So in conclusion, you wanna try not to, of course my phone's gonna be going off. You wanna try not to cut too low on your CowLick, and you don't wanna push your hairline back due to your CowLick. And you want to let your barber know that you have a CowLick so that he or she can, kind of keep it thicker in that area. Don't cut down too much in that area. It doesn't matter whether you're coarse or you have a medium texture. We all do. Some of us have CowLicks, and mine's right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what my waves are looking like in this, and I'm gonna turn on the fans, turn the sound down because it is hot in here, because I don't want to over curl. And I'll point out where the CowLick was. It may still be there, it may not be there, but I'll see you in the next one. I'll show you where it's looking like, what the pattern's looking like. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and comment down any tips that you want or any other videos that you want. I appreciate all y'all new ones who's been subscribing to the channel. I will check y'all in the next one. Let's see what these things are looking like.